Hello everyone, this is Gunjit and today I'm going to show you how you can get old Discord UI back, because as you can see that Discord has updated their UI and the icons are square and to be honest this one looks like shit. So I'll tell you how you can revert to the old UI. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. And before we start, make sure to check out my Discord server. I'll drop the link to this in the description below. And with all that being said, let's jump right to the point. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is that you'd want to install Vencode. So for that you'd have to head on to vencode.dev, and here you'll have to click on download Vencode, and from there it is pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm going to skip that part. Alright, so now as you can see that I have downloaded Vencode, and in order to check whether you have downloaded Vencode correctly, you'd want to go over to user settings. You'd want to head over to user settings, and here you are going to see a Vencode section right here. So if you see this, then you have downloaded it correctly. Alright, so if you are on a mobile device, then I'll upload a tutorial on how to get Vencode on mobile, and when I do, I'm going to update it on the card section right here, so you can check that out. Alright, so once you have downloaded Vencode, now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to head over to plugins. Alright, so once you are in the plugins tab, now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to search up experiments. And as you can see that we have enabled this, and you'd now want to restart Discord. Alright, so as you can see that I have restarted my Discord. And now what you'd want to do is that you'd want to head over to the experiments tab, and now you'd want to search exactly this. And here you'd want to select this option right here, and as soon as you do that, you can see that we have the old Discord UI back. I can X out of this, and as you can see that we have the old UI back. The icons are square again and everything seems more familiar. So if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to drop a like and check out my Discord server. Goodbye, have a nice day.